Hello students, welcome to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss important questions of first PU Physics chapter 4 Laws of Motion. Weightage of this lesson is 12 marks, same as motion in a plane. So give importance to this chapter also. You are expecting one numerical problem or one 5 marks theory question from this lesson, and 3 marks, 2 marks, filling the blanks MCQ. All questions are important in this lesson. So the expected 2 marks question is, what is an impulsive force? Give example. Impulsive force is a very large force which is acting for short duration of time is called impulsive force. Okay, give some example. And define static friction, kinetic friction, or define sliding friction, give example. Define rolling friction, give example. All these are important questions. Just write the definition and example for each. Okay. Or some expression Fk is equal to mu k into R. Okay, that type of equation, you just go through it. And what is banking of roads? Why it is necessary? What is banking of road? It is a process of raising the outer edge than the inner edge, and it is necessary because to provide necessary centripetal force for car to take or vehicle to negotiate a curved path. Okay, it is necessary because it provides, banking of roads provides necessary centripetal force for vehicles to take a turn, right? And important 3 marks questions are state Newton's laws of motion, means you have to write all the 3 laws. State Newton's laws. If the question is like this, means write all the 3 laws, or else it will be specified. Okay, state Newton's second law, Newton's first law. If it is not specified, means you have to write all the 3 laws. First law is every body in its state of rest or in its state of uniform motion along a straight line, unless it is compelled by an external force to change that state. And Newton's second law of motion is rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to applied force, and it takes place along the direction of applied force. And third law is very famous to you. You are all familiar with this third law. So for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Write it properly, all the statements. And mention the methods of reducing friction. So friction can be reduced by using ball bearings, by polishing the surface or polishing, by streamlining the bodies, okay, by using lubrication like this, right? You need 2 methods if this is asked for 2 marks, or 3 methods of reducing friction if this is asked for 3 marks. Next, mention any 3 advantages of friction. Write 3 advantages of friction, why it is necessary. State Newton's second law and hence derive F is equal to ma. Newton's second law statement you have to write, that is 1 mark, and write the mathematical derivation to arrive at F is ma. So that carries 2 marks, so total 3 marks. This is one of the very important question you are expecting in this lesson. Next, 5 marks question. There are only 2 5 marks question. One is state and prove the law of conservation of linear momentum in case of collision of 2 bodies. That is very important question. Most of the time this question will be asked. Another important one is derive the expression for optimum speed or maximum speed of a car on a banked circular road. So if this banked circular road is asked, means that will be asked for 5 marks, or level circular road is asked for 3 marks. So these are the important questions for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. Along with this, you have to read numerical problems. And so if you read these questions, you can also answer filling the blanks and MCQ. Students, when you are reading the chapters, you just make a list of definitions of the physical quantity, expression for it, and SI unit as well as dimensional formula. See, for example, in this lesson, impulsive force is there, and linear momentum and force, right? So just whenever you are reading any chapters, what are all the physical quantities comes in that chapter, you just make a list of all the physical quantities, write the definition if there is a definition, and write the expression, SI unit, dimensional formula. So if you make a list like this, then it will be easy for you to answer in exams. Students, if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and see you in next video. Thanks for watching.